everybody. This is Bob Murphy with a magnificent day in New York. The skies are clear, the temperature in the low 70s, the breeze blowing in from home plate towards center field. This is it. Pop up, back of the plate, Campanella coming back toward the dugout, back, and makes the grab, falls in the dugout. Great play by Campanella.
The Scooter, the Barber, and the Duke, they knew them all from Boston to Dubuque, especially Willie, Mickey, and the Duke.
In center field, number 24, Willie Mays, number 24.
The 3-2 pitch to Pee Wee. Cut on and lined into right field. It's a base hit. And light up the best tasting cigarette you ever smoked. Lucky Strike. Does that cigarette taste good?
Meet the Mets. Meet the Mets. Step right up and greet the Mets. Bring your kiddies. Bring your wife.
I believe the New York Mets are amazing.
Right-hander back, and there's a drive deep to left field. This one could go all the way. Manoso's back by the wall. He can't get to it. A home run. Gil Hodges with a home run for the New York Mets.
And as a base hit number 2,000 in his career for Duke Snider.
The applause for Don Seaver. 8 1/3 innings of perfect baseball by Seaver. Let's go, going into right field. Agee is going to try and score. It's going to be close at the plate. The throw, the slide. Save at the plate. Oh, what an argument.
It's into left field. It's going to be in there. It's a base hit and the Mets win. The Mets win the ball game. Get the New York Mets. Look at the fans. It's absolute bedlam here at 9:07 on September 24th. The Mets have won the championship of the Eastern Division of the National League. Look at that scene. They can't hold the fans.
Tommy was terrific, amazing baseball. Clendenin was prolific. Bud and Sham and Agee stood the test. The glider and the crane, they were the vets. I'm talking baseball. Baseball and the Mets.
There's a drive into deep left center. Racing hard is Agee.
Swung on, hit on the ground toward first. Milner has the ball. Flips to McGraw. It's over. The New York Mets have won the pennant. The New York Mets have won the pennant. The New York Mets have won the pennant, and this is a wild scene.
You gotta believe! You gotta believe!
Base hit left field. Here comes Wilson. Coleman can't come up with it. Mets win 7-6.
By Stanley and a ground ball trickling. It is a fair ball. Hit by Buckner. Rounding third base. The Mets will win the ball game. The Mets win. On hit in the air to right field. Fairly deep. Evans going back at the wall. Goodbye. Home run. Darryl Strawberry. Now Boyer's 0-2 to Piazza. Swinging a high fly ball to right field. It's pretty deep. Back goes Langerhans on the track. At the wall. It's out of here! Mike Piazza with an opposite field 3-run homer!